Hello. All right. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm going to teach you three things. So, the first thing I want to teach you that you were wanting to know is how do I select things? And then how do I copy? Yeah, how do I select things? How do I copy? And then how do I paste, right? Transferring data over from a different source to your spreadsheets. Well, that's a great question. So, you're going to double tap. So, one, two, drag down. You see what's in blue? I have selected that. Then you can click the right button and you can see this option. You see copy right here? Now, here's a great indicator. To be more efficient, you can look into the right side and these symbols, they're shortcuts. So how do I use these shortcuts? Great question. You're going to click on the control button on the far bottom left-hand corner. Keep your finger on there, and then you're going to add on an additional click to the C button. That's Control C. Great. You just copied your information. I'm going to do it with you right now. Control C. I'm just going to select this cell. Control C. Then I want to paste the information, right? Control V. Awesome. We're one third way of this lesson. You're doing a good job. All right. What's the second step I said I was going to teach you? Oh, right. A drop down menu. So as you can see, I've already added one. But I'll walk it through you. So you're going to select the cells you want to input this action towards. I just selected these four. This is just an example. You're going to go to data, data validation, list of items, and I already put fixed, variable, periodic, and discretionary expenses like we discussed last time. But for an example, I'm just going to make it simplified. A, B, C, D. Reject input, save. Awesome. And there you go. You have your options right there. All right, what's the next step? Oh, yeah. So whenever you're going to go to your bank statement and select every information that you need and then transfer it over for your spreadsheets, when you paste it on there, it may not go in the specific order you want it to go. So for an example, if you look here, I've already organized it in order by October going down to December. But beforehand, it was reversed. So I was like, how do I fix that? Great question. Here's the solution. You're going to select all your cells. Select it all. And then stop whenever you, just stop whenever you need to. Then you're going to go to View, Freeze. This is my first row. Oh, I'm sorry. This is my first column. So here's a good way of remembering stuff in regards to this. The coliseums have columns. They go up and down. Rows are horizontal. So I'm going to click on the column button. Then I'm going to go to Data, Sort Sheet, and then go to A to Z. Now, let's say I want to show you how it was beforehand, going in the opposite direction as I had it originally. Notice that I have December 1st and then it goes backwards to October. But beforehand, I didn't like that. I wanted it to be the beginning of October going down to the end of the year. So, data. Select all the cells you need. Stop when you need to. Go to Data, Sort Sheets, A to Z. Cool. Now I have October 1st instead of December as my starting month. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know. But thank you for coming to today's lesson. And I hope you learned something.